food. Go food. DJ As. Quand tu parles, dis le minimum. C'est pas.
All I see is signs, all I see is dollar signs.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Venance aka Miss.Cameroon. I am back with a new video. So if you are not subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. So today I'm going to show you guys how I make this quick wig from Outre. This is your REMY hair. I'm using a dome cap and I'm going to go ahead and put that on my mannequin head and then use some pins and just pin it down.
Holographic, fantastic. You see this bead? Oh, she's dressed.
I'm going to start by sewing down the closure. The closure is absolutely amazing. But the hair doesn't come with the closure though, so yeah, you're gonna have to buy that separately.
Skin tint, skin tint, skin tint. Keep my makeup artist start up in her basement.
By the way, excuse my mannequin, like she's been going through life and death with me. Like we've been going through it together. So excuse her, okay? Now that the closure is sewed down and flat, I'm going to begin by showing you the hair that I got. This is the Velvet Brazilian REMY hair by Outre, and they sent me 3 packs. It's 100% version, 100% REMY hair. The hair feels so soft, so soft. This is my second time wearing their hair, and I love it. Like, this is my second time wearing REMY hair, and I love it. So
Streets shook when they see me live my look on M-I-L-K, M-I-L-K, M-I-L.
The first thing I do is I'm going to go ahead and sew down the first. I'm going to take out the first pack and I'm going to start sewing it down. I double up the wefts when I sew it. I'm going to double it up until I get to like almost half of the head. So I do like the flip over method. So I basically sew and then I double up the wefts. It just makes it go faster. So that's basically all I'm doing here until I get to like the top of the hair. Okay, when I start getting to like the almost the middle part of the hair, I start cutting the wefts and I stop doubling it up, because you don't want to double it up and then it's going to get bulky. You don't want to do that. So I just start doing singles and I cut the wefts.
Individuality, 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 individuality.
After I'm done making the wig, I'm going to go ahead and customize this wig, and I'm going to pluck the parts and just, you know, make the part look a little bit wider because it was too thin. Next thing I do here is I'm going to flip the wig over, and I don't usually show this in my videos, but I cut that little piece of fabric. You have to cut that off when you're making your wigs. Cut that off, and then that's how you make your wig. Because I've seen people that make wigs and they always keep that on, and I'm like, why? You don't need it.
Kitty, kitty, purr, purr, purr. Let it stick, let it stick, let it stick. Concealed eyes with a cherry bomb lip. Skin tint, skin tint, skin tint. Keep my makeup artist start up in her basement.
The next thing I'm doing, I'm going to take my Duval straightener and I'm going to flatten that part, make it flat. Then I'm going to straighten the head just a little bit, not a lot, just straighten it a little bit. So I'm going to take my curling iron. I got that from Walmart for like $20, and I'm going to go ahead and curl my hair.
28 9 p.m. stage tore down the show. Watch this tomboy transform. My friends break gender norms. We both wear pink platforms, and we go nowhere without that. They fall in love.
Now I'm going to take my concealer, Eligopo concealer in Fawn, and just apply that on the part just to make it look more realistic.
M-I-L-K, 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 M-I-L-K.
After, I'm going to brush out my curls because I want the curl. I honestly wanted the curls to be a little bit bigger, and I wanted it to be more loose. It was way too curly for me. I had to do a lot more. Now it's time to make myself turn into a bad bitch. A bad bitch. I'm going to beat my face, bam, and then put this wig on my head. Next thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to lay down my edges and just make the wig look way more natural. So I'm going to cut my baby hair and then just take my Got2b glue and just lay down my edges. After that, you're basically done. Yes, all done.
Individuality, individuality, individual.
Go food. Go food. DJ As. Quand tu parles, dis le minimum. C'est pas le baratin qui fait les hommes.